Hello students and welcome to English Tutorials Macvision Aviraj World School. Today I am going to teach you letter writing. Introduction. In modern world, people prefer to send short and relevant messages by mobile phones, emails or through social media chat. They have little time or inclination to write long letters. So आजकल क्या होता है? यूजुअली पीपल सेंड शॉर्ट एंड रेलिवेंट मैसेजेस. छोटे छोटे मैसेजेस भेजते हैं ओवर मोबाइल फ़ोन्स और मे बी ऑन द लैपटॉप्स और मे बी ऑन द सोशल मीडिया चैट, फॉर एग्जांपल फेसबुक or maybe on Twitter or WhatsApp. So these are different ways of communicating in today's world, today's technological world. They have little time or inclination to write long letters. They do not have much time to write long letters. They are not interested in this. और वो किस में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं? शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प बात करने में एंड टू डिस्कस regarding everything over messages or maybe through social media, etc. But the fact is that we cannot do without letters. But the fact is we cannot communicate well without letters. Letters के बिना हम अच्छे से communicate कर ही नहीं सकते हैं. They may seem to be outdated in modern times. हो सकता है हमें वो outdated लगे. They have their own advantages. But everything has its own advantages and disadvantages. सभी चीज़ों की अपनी advantages भी होती हैं और disadvantages भी. One best thing about letters is that they are handwritten. So what is one of the best thing about letters? That it is handwritten. It is written in your own handwriting and therefore contain more warmth and intimacy. And hence it contains more warmth and intimacy. Now, just imagine a situation if your friend wants to invite you to his birthday party. अगर आपके friend ने आपको invite करना है birthday party में, if he sends you an email or if he sends you a letter written in his own handwriting, which one would you love more? Obviously, the handwritten letter. So, the handwritten letter contains more intimacy and warmth. Letters can be used to share the most intimate thoughts and feelings. And through letters, you can share your personal thoughts and feelings. And you can describe it in your own handwriting. Moreover, most electronic messages eventually are deleted at one click of a button. Letters are generally preserved as relics. So, जैसे कि हम एक क्लिक के साथ मैसेजेस को एंड ऑल्सो द वीडियोज़ एंड ऑडियो मैसेजेस सबको हम एक क्लिक के साथ डिलीट कर सकते हैं, बट लेटर्स को हम एकदम संभाल के रखते हैं अपने पास. जस्ट लाइक सिम्बल्स ऑफ समवन, जस्ट लाइक अ टोकन गिवन बाय समवन. So there are basically two types of letters, and what are those two types of letters? कौन से होते हैं? Informal letter and formal letter. Now what is informal letter? Informal letters are the letters that are written to friends, relatives or your near and dear ones. जो letters आप अपने relatives को लिखते हैं, friends को लिखते हैं, near and dear ones को, close people को लिखते हैं, those are called informal letters. And what are formal letters? Formal letters are the letters that are used for official purposes, like the letters written to authorities, newspaper editor, executives, business firms. So these are basically the letters for official use. Informal letters होते हैं जो हम अपने near and dear ones को लिखते हैं, and formal letters are the letters written for official use. Now the purpose of writing letters. Number 1, to communicate in written form. To communicate in a form that is written rather than a verbal communication. Most official letters are written as documental proof of the correspondence. So some letters are written as a proof. Document की तरह use करते हैं हम उसको, proof की तरह use करते हैं, and these are basically the formal letters. To reply to invitations and reminders. If someone has sent you an invitation, maybe for a party, so you reply it with the help of a letter. To announce a function. To announce a function means to invite someone or maybe to give an announcement regarding any function that is planned. To make request to invite friends or relatives on a specific occasion. This also refers to any upcoming event regarding which you have to give an information to your friends or relatives या किसी को invitation request भेजने के लिए. To advise, criticize or appreciate. To give an advice, to criticize someone or to appreciate someone, किसी की तारीफ करने के लिए. To share one's thoughts, feelings and news of the family. So to share with your loved ones maybe the news or their feelings, your feelings or your thoughts. Suppose you live in a hostel and you write a letter to your father expressing your love for him, expressing how you are feeling nowadays, expressing how you miss your parents, is one of the examples of sharing thoughts to the family members. Now let's discuss the format of a formal letter. Formal letter कौन से होते हैं? The letters that are written for official use. उसका format क्या होता है? First of all, in the left side corner, we write sender's address. Now, who is the sender? The one who is sending the letter, the one who is writing the letter, and who is receiver? The one who is receiving the letter, जो receive कर रहा है letter को. So, sender कौन हुआ? If I am writing a letter to Meena, so I am sender. मैं sender हूँ. And who is the receiver? Meena is the receiver. So, sender's address is written at the left side corner, top of the letter. Then we leave one line and write down the date. There are two formats of writing date. One is British format and one is American format. So, we usually follow the British format of writing date. British format क्या होता है? You write the date, month and year. And what is the American format? Month, date, comma, year. So, here we also put a comma. So, this is the British format of writing date, 17 April 2020. And what is the American format? April 17, comma, 2020. So, we usually use the British format in the letters. Now, leave one line and write receiver's address. The one who is receiving the letter. जो letter receive कर रहा है. Leave one line. Write the subject. Now, what is subject? Subject means why are you writing a letter? What is the purpose of writing a letter? Then you again leave one line and write the salutation. Salutation क्या होता है? Sir, ma'am or dear sir, dear ma'am. From the next line you write the main content of the letter. आपको लेटर में क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है या क्या मैसेज लिखना है और मे बी योर थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स that comes under the content. Leave one line. Closing. For example, yours sincerely. Then you write leaving one line, you write the name of the sender and the signature. So let's see the format again. First, sender's address. Leave one line, write the date and prefer British format. Leave one line again, receiver's address. Leave one line, subject. After leaving a line, salutation and then content. After leaving another line, closing, that is maybe yours sincerely, yours obediently. Then in the next line, name of the sender and in the line above, signature. Hope you have understood the format of writing a formal letter. In the further videos, we will discuss the topic ahead.